Hey everybody! Today's lesson is on being a fashion designer. Fashion designers use their creativity to design and create clothing, necklaces, hats, all sorts of things that we wear. Today I want to show you how to make these paper dolls so that you can dress them up in whatever fashion you decide. What are you going to create? Is it going to be fashion for the runway? Are you going to make beautiful dresses? Or are you going to make a new superhero? I can't wait to see what you come up with. I've made a video for you to show you how to create the paper dolls. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Ciao, ciao for now. Bye! Begin by folding your paper in half. Fold it in half again, and then one more time, so you'll have a nice skinny piece of paper. Draw your figure on the folded edge of the paper. Include arms and legs. Now it's time to cut out your shape. Turn the paper as you cut so that you can cut straight. Unfold your paper figures. They should all be connected to each other at the hands and feet. Now let's add some hair with collage. Choose a piece of colored paper and trace around the head. Now cut the paper larger than the head. You can cut out pieces to make it look more like hair. Then cut a little slit so that we can slip the head inside. Glue down just the part that's going to stick to the back of the head. And continue this process with the rest of your paper dolls. Be creative and think of different styles of hair. I'm giving this one a mohawk. When you're finished with all of your hair, then you can start to add clothing. You can either do this with collage or drawing. Have fun and be creative. Bye!